Dear students, we have just read how Vera tells Mr. Frampton Nuttall that 3 years ago a tragedy had happened with her aunt, Miss Stapleton. Let's read. You may wonder why we keep that window wide open on an October afternoon, said the niece. Niece is Miss Stapleton's niece, Vera, indicating a large French window that opened on to a lawn. French window is one of a pair of glass doors that opens onto a garden or balcony. And lawn is an area of grass in a garden or park that is regularly cut, that is regularly groomed. So Vera tries to entertain Mr. Frampton Nuttall. She looks at a window, a French window, which is open, and she says that they are very sorry that the window is kept open, especially in the month of October. See, in the month of October, there is a slight nip in the air. The winter is setting in. It is not like in India where you have tropical climate and Octobers are pleasant. In England, Octobers are not as pleasant as they are in India. It's the time when the winter starts setting in and leaving the window open in the afternoon or in the evening is like feeling cold air getting into the house. To this, Mr. Frampton answers, it is quite warm for the time of the year. He too agrees that it is not the time of the year when windows should be kept open. And then he continues, but has that window got anything to do with the tragedy? Since Vera has just mentioned about the tragedy that had happened with her aunt, and suddenly she switches to the window, it is but obvious that Frampton asks, has that window got anything to do with the tragedy? Do they have anything in common? Are they really related? So here Vera will draw a relation between the tragedy that had happened with the aunt and the window that has been kept open.